up, everybody? And today we're going to be doing a short. Today we're on my porch. Rhymes, doesn't it? We're here with this guy, and you can see we have guns. Guns. And what we're going to be doing, is taking this can and filling it with water, getting as closest to it as can, and shooting it. Go fill it up.
Okay.
Your gun isn't on safety.
Don't matter.
So, this is a celebration. I got wet here. I did it last time. They're all over it, even the house. We'll set it right here, get as close to it as possible, and just freaking fire it. I have a 177 caliber air rifle, and he's using a, I don't know.
Let us show you a can that we recently shot.
Oh yeah, he has a good idea. Guys, look at that. Goes in one hole, goes in one hole and comes out the other. So let's do this. Let's set the camera up. Yeah, when rednecks are mad. Okay, let's go over to the side. Do this. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Oh, my safety was on! My safety was on. I tried to shoot, but my safety was on. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time.
Yeah, one more time. I can get wetter. Dude, I just got freaking soaked. Guys. Good old times. Let's see it, guys. Let's see it. Hey. Oh, looks like he's hitting it. Dude. This time, we're both going to fire. And, dude.
My safety was on last time.
Yeah, his safety was that point on. So let's get loaded and we'll see you guys next time. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay, are you guys ready? It's root beer can right there. Yeah, it's going. Still going.
Oh, there's ants inside of it.
Really? Yeah, the ants are going to be dead. Oh, I messed up the camera. Alright, guys, it's the red root beer can right there. I mean, the brown one.
The root beer can.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Sorry.
Thank you. Oh, the camera got knocked over anyway. Don't please. Okay. It's loading. Okay. Don't do it. Don't trust him. Okay, thumbs up.
Here we go. Maybe I won't shoot it first this time.
No, please don't. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Ah!
Dude!
Holy crap!
What happened?
What happened?
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
And this is what I'm talking about. Really? I got soaked.
Yeah, and I didn't.
I was like right here to it.
Hey, and then it went off on you and it didn't get me. Don't worry, I'm soaked too. So, that's when rednecks get mad at soap can. Well, Pepsi cans. Dude, that's fricked. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. You guys might laugh. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys next time. Bye.